Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to look up two values in Vlookup function. The normal Vlookup function works for single Vlookup value. Now suppose we have location, role and salary, and we want to find the salary based on location and the role. Now to show output for each location and corresponding role, I have created a table here. To use double lookup value in VLOOKUP function, we will create a helper column in the data table and concatenate both lookup columns using ampersand character. So insert a new column in the beginning of the data table. Type helper column as column heading. In cell A2 type equals to, select cell B2, the first lookup value, type ampersand and select cell C2, the second lookup value. Press enter. The column is showing the concatenated value of location and role. Drag the formula till end. Now remember, the helper column should be the leftmost column in the data table. Now for output, select cell I2 and type equals to VLOOKUP open bracket. Now the lookup value will be the concatenated value of location and role. So select cell H2 in which location is available and press F4 three times to make the column name absolute. Type ampersand, select cell I1 in which role is available. Press F4 twice to make row number absolute, comma, and select column A to D in data table. Press F4 to make it absolute, comma, type 4 to get the salary because salary is the fourth column in the selected data array, comma, type 0 for exact match. Closing bracket and press enter. The output is the salary where location is Bangalore and role is technical architect. Copy the formula in other cells and now you will get the required output for each location and role combination. In this way, you can use double lookup values in VLOOKUP function. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.